what happened exactly. Yeah, I definitely saw her. We went in the gym. Yeah. But yeah, she was like, bro, for real, bro. She turned around and she started looking at her like, bro, I was like, what the fuck are you doing, girl? Like, that's just your girlfriend, alright? You see I'm right here, and I am your fucking boyfriend. What the fuck are you looking at that for? Bro, that shit pissed me off, bro. Yeah. You know, you be my friend since a long time, right? That's what I'm gonna tell you right now, bro. That shit crazy. Hold up, I'm gonna call you back, bro. Yeah, just hold up. I'm gonna call you back, nigga. Just give me a second. Hold up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call you back in a minute. Yeah, bet. Alright, babe. Alright, bet, nigga. Alright. Yeah, nigga, I don't know if you gotta pick up the fucking phone or not.
Yo, bro. Yo, vamos chamar hoje a cargo telefone na mesa. Vamos chamar hoje a cargo telefone na mesa.
Yeah, nigga, I'm outside, nigga, we out.
Yeah, I know the reason you're talking to nobody when they up when I have to overtime, man. You don't have to you gotta work in the morning overtime, man. Yeah, that's why. Where you at?
Nigga, this I'm talking about, I'm outside.
On the boat?
Yeah.
Alright, man, come on. Yeah, come. Yeah.
Hey, what up, G? What's going on, my man? Straight up, G. Where you been, nigga? Straight up, yeah, I couldn't try for your number today.
Welcome to the empire, man.
Yeah, man, okay.
This is my boy CJ. This is my other guy right there. 26.
Oh shit, what up, T? What up, man? What's going on, man? You alright, bro?
Let me take this shit away. Let me take this shit away, then I'm gonna stop you.
I bet. She's got you, man. I'm here, man.
Yo, man, thanks for coming, bro. Like, for real.
Appreciate the ladies, man. It's the ladies for real.
Yeah. What you want to drink? Water, Sprite, or something?
I take this for the
I don't drink alcohol,
yeah,
man.
for sure. I mean, me neither.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, me neither, G, for real, man. It's been a minute of us since I drank, bro, like Sprite.
Right.
I've been with water over and over, and I see that's what you do.
Number one.
Yo.
Yo.
Sina muskwaro mundi me.
Ya number one. Number one.
Sina ko mfiro.
What's going on? You alright, bro? We don't know for that.
Yo, feel no good give.
Como mfiro?
Hey.
What up?
Amuso yo.
Hey.
Umwase.
What's going on, bro? I don't know how you're talking about that, but I don't know.
Prochari kumu seri. Prochari kumu.
Nigga, come on now.
Prochari kumu.
I don't know what you're talking about. Nah,
If they remember,
for real, yeah. Yeah, it's for sure. I don't know. Effective shit. Say lies. The hell, nigga, I don't know what the fuck is that. I'm on the girl, nigga. Don't care.
Can you sit down, man? Let's go.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Anyway, my man. So, welcome to my
Appreciate it.
Fire X.
Appreciate
You know what I'm
it.
saying?
For real. That's
So
what my
anyway,
heart, bro.
yeah.
Real.
Anyways,
So, ladies.
So those is my boy, man, from Burundi. We, as you know, I don't know if you Burundian or whatever, but what I know, you are, right?
Definitely, yeah, absolutely.
They're all my Burundian brothers.
Absolutely.
Right? So whenever we got here, we like a family, because we're from the same country. We speak the same language. We do all kinds of stuff together as a family. You know what I'm saying?
For sure. Yeah.
So when I saw you, I thought it could be great if I make you meet them. You know what I'm saying? So we all be, family.
So we around people right now.
Listen, what I'm trying to tell you is what I like to see all my people together. All my Burundian together. You know what I'm saying? We Burundian.
We get you, show you watch, man. We get you. I'm easy.
Ikibazo ntiyumva ikirundi. Oh, okay, leave it alone. Do you speak? Okay, anyways, hold on. I'm asking you this question. When and how old you were when you came here the first time in the United States?
Well, man, if I'm being honest with you,
Right.
all I remember was by that time, like me came to the United States of America. Me and my family, I was like 3 years old by then.
Yeah.
But all the way from then, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. Man, I turned 28 years old last year. And this year, yeah, I'm sure in it, you feel me? I'm sure.
So you were like, what? So you've been here in the United States?
So I'ma say, I've been here in the United States, like, I'ma say if it, like, 25 years old, I was 3 by then, bro.
So you were 3 when you came to the United States. So you don't know anything about
Absolutely.
Burundi or any
None of that.
culture?
None of that. None of that. No cap. None of that, bro.
No?
I ain't finna lie to nobody. Y'all ain't finna like, I'm finna let y'all know that whole motherfucking Jewish from there. Shit, better.
So oya ngo yaje afise imyaka 3 ariko bamaze imyaka 25 muri Amerika. Urumva bakwije imyaka 28. So urumva since ikirundi cyo okay, I'm sorry, but if I mean, like, you understand what we're talking about, right? Like, any little bit of Kirundi language, at least.
Oh man, you know what? Like, I heard
Okay.
some, but
So
I
let me
don't
say-
know 100% like being
Let me
with you.
say,
like the way you're talking about it.
Mwaramuseneza.
I heard that word before, Malamuteneza. That said good money, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but I heard from my girl, my ex-girlfriend.
So y'all never like sit down with you and your family or friends from from Burundi and like try like to talk in English? I mean in Kirundi as Burundian.
If I borrow, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Come on, man.
I ain't gonna say. I ain't gonna say, that. I mean, look,
turabizi hari abatipe b'abarundi n'abatipekazi bari hanze, haba ari muri Amerika, za Canada, za Australia, za Sweden, za Holland, b'abarundi ariko kubera ko bamaze igihe kinini muri ibyo bihugu. Kubera ko bamaze icyo gihe cyose hariya ntibumve ko bo kwiga ruriya rurimi cyangwa ngo bumve ko bogira bagahenga uti nanjye nihenze mumbabarire bagashaka kwerekana ko ata mwanya bafitaniye n'ababyeyi babo cyane n'abagenzi babo bavuye mu Burundi bazi urwo rurimi kugira ngo babigishe kwa kundi kuguma badashaka kubaha umwanya kubera ngo bamaze igihe kirekire muri Amerika bagashaka kwigira abantu batari n'ibiki niyo mpamvu usanga n'ururimi batarumenye
igiye komunika
ntibamenye imico kama yacu
Nacho.
ntibamenye
Look, I'm gonna tell you one thing.
atazi ko turiko turamuvuga bacizi.
How much time? I said Lee Moy, Kavili, Gadatu, and Kani, Utanu, Utanu, Gadatu, or Gatanu, and I don't know this other one though. What's that? Mulingui? What's the other one? I was talking Gatanu. Mulingui, right? Mulingui. What you call the number? Code comes out to 6.
6.
Yeah, what you call 7?
7. Okay, try it.
7 Mulingui. Mulingui, Munane, Muchenda,
Muchenda wake n'umuceri n'umusenyi
bro, that's how it is right there. That's how I know how they call it.
Ni wa mujugujugu ntuze fizo yabwira wawo umujugujugu
I'm just being for real,
utera
bro.
umujugujugu watumye urukunda
Ariko natuvugishije uyu
bo ego birashika kubera ko ababyeyi biwacu rimwe na rimwe sinzi ko ari bo ikosa ryabo cyangwa ari twebwe bivanye na generation tuba turiho basanga abana ntibaspendinga time n'ababyeyi babo ngo ababyeyi babahe lesson babahe ibyigwa cyangwa bababwire imico yo mu Burundi cyangwa mu Rwanda cyangwa biragana n'aho kugira ngo babigishe ururimi cyane 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 ariko arabyumva
mubwire igenda yambaye gufukisha
so urumva rero ngaho icyo nokubwiye icyo novuga
mubwire
ndumva byoba byiza nk'ababyeyi n'ukuri siniko nakubeshya byoba byiza ababyeyi b'abarundi cyane cyane abarundi bari hanze bakigisha abana babo imico yabo bakanabwira ati wewe jewe navukiye mu ntara iyi n'iyi navukiye muri komini iyi n'iyi mvuka muri zone iyi n'iyi cyangwa kuri santere iyi n'iyi bakamenya ati je mama wanje cyangwa papa wanje navukiye ngaha nanje rero navukiye ngaha nk'umwana hariho abavukiye mu bindi bihugu ariko ababyeyi babo ari abarundi so none bica bitwa ko urukundo atabikubwiye ntiwomenya icyo uri cyo ariko kenshi usanga bakuze bakabimenya bonyine bati je nakuriye ngaha cyangwa navukiye ngaha mvuka ku babyeyi aba n'aba none nacuzinze kubi cyangwa ndiki so kuri byiza man bro to be honest with you sit down sit
Nakomei, bro. What's going on? Nigga, I'm alright, bro. You heard me right.
okay
Yeah, what was you saying, bro?
so what I was trying to say is I know you probably grew up here in the United States. You came in the United States when you were 3.
That's long ass time. I go over there.
You're 28. Damn
shit, man.
It's like you've been here since like you were 3 and you 28, so you've been here 25 years.
25 years over the
So,
window. Shit.
The thing is, I think that would be a good idea, man, if you communicate with your parents or your friends.
So the point was, listen.
Whatever. So that way they can teach you who you really
I'm gonna tell you one thing, bro.
The culture, the language, and all that. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of times, man, you never know where you are tomorrow. Yeah. You never know where you are tomorrow. So tomorrow you might be in Burundi, you might be in Rwanda, you might be in Congo, which is in Congo. There is a lot of